Pinner wall panel, rigid sheet wall protection system. The performance of the Pinner wall panel has been proven to be excellent, with great environmental protection, antibacterial and mildew-proof, fire retardant, anti-collision and wear resistance, provides decades of protection for a wide range of applications. It has become synonymous with conservation excellence. It is the preferred material for internal protection of all kinds of transportation vehicles. In this Jakarta-Bandung high-speed train project, Pinner wall panels are widely used in train compartments, based on gray and white grating, with rose gold connecting strips. Very modern industrial texture, demonstrate advanced technology. The selected weaving texture reflects the local weaving culture, reflect the simplicity and flexibility of the space. At the same time, it demonstrates the concept of harmonious coexistence between man and nature, protect the travel safety of drivers and passengers.